Hello everyone, I'm Safi and I'm 7. And I'm 7 and I'm 5. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hi everyone, welcome back to Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. We had a nice long break. Today we're going to be showing you some of our cuddly toys. Sara's going to be going first.
Okay, show us your favourite toy right in the middle. Oh, what's that?
It's a Kuromi.
Sarah, what's that?
It's Kuromi.
Oh, what do you like about Kuromi?
She's my favourite colour. Yeah, and she also has these. And she's wearing a hoodie at the back, if you look.
Oh, yes. Oh, do you like cuddling her?
Yeah.
Oh. And what other characters do you know other than Kuromi?
Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll, Melody, Popcorn, Karopi.
Karopi? Is that a frog?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And the Pocket Shell took some.
That's a lot of names you know.
And there's also there's 100 of them.
What? I didn't know that.
They're nearly over 100.
Yep. Over 100? Yikes, that's a lot of names to remember.
Yep.
Okay, who's next?
Me.
Okay.
Okay, so let me get it. Got mine.
Go on and let's see yours.
This is mine.
Oh!
I have the exact same one. It has a little cloud and it also has a hoodie. And Cinnamon Roll has a tail, so they put this on it.
Oh.
But they're both Squishmallows.
Oh yes. What do you like about this one?
I like the little cloud.
Oh.
And how it has a hoodie that doesn't fit it.
Oh. I remember you begging us for these toys in the shop. I remember. You wouldn't leave the shop, the pair of you. We almost left you there. Okay, what's next?
Sara's turn.
What's that?
It's a flamingo. Yeah, it's a Squishmallow too, but it's just a flamingo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where did you get this from, love?
A cousin David.
Oh, which cousin?
Zachariah.
Oh,
And Zane.
and Zane. That's lovely. I love it. You like flamingos, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, what's next then? Wow, what are these?
Labubus.
Labubus?
Yeah. We had a few more, but we lost them.
Oh, we lost some.
I think it's somewhere in our toy basket.
Okay, let's tell me what they are.
So this is my favourite Labubu. Her name is Cece.
Let's see her.
I put this tiny pink dress on her with strawberries and
That's
flowers.
lovely. I love that. Does her head turn? Not much.
It's a real Labubu.
That's a real one?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. How do you know if it's a real though?
The feet.
Oh.
Look, this is what the fake ones. Yeah, and it comes with a card. Yeah,
Oh.
the real ones come with cards.
And their feet are different, are they?
Yeah,
Do they twist? Oh, they twist.
And fake ones, the ears
And the
are
hands
far
twist. Yep.
further apart.
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
You know the difference?
Yeah, and this is my second. And fake Labubus have this underneath your
The
feet.
whole thing, yeah, I see. So what are their names, do you know?
Cece, I forgot all of the other ones.
Oh no, we've forgotten.
But Sara also had a real Labubu called Baba, but we couldn't find it.
Oh, what's your favourite one here?
This is my favourite.
And Sarah's?
Baba's my favourite.
Oh, but he's not here.
Yeah, this is my second favourite one. That's my first Labubu I ever got.
Oh.
And that's Sara's first Labubu she ever got.
I love the colours on this one, Sarah.
Yeah,
But
and purple
he looks
is
a
my
bit menacing.
favourite
He looks a little bit scary.
Yeah.
Okay. And I think the cutest one for me is probably, I like this one. That's cute.
Yeah, these two look good together.
Did your friend give you one of these?
Yeah, Sophia Irina gave me this one.
Oh, that's sweet of her. He looks happy, doesn't he? Why have they got sharp teeth though?
I don't know. I think they're actually meant to be... I think they're supposed to be monster bunnies.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay, right, let's put them.
Bunnies!
Monster bunnies! I hope your bunnies don't turn into monsters. Buttons and Biscuit, what are they
They will
doing?
become one!
No! Let's...
And then we have more toys.
Oh gosh. Right, let's put those away and get the next ones out.
Okay. We put them away.
There you go. What's that, Sara?
My toy koala.
Oh!
Yesterday we saw her in a zoo.
We saw a koala. We saw 4 koala bears.
Longleat.
Yes!
Longleat.
That was beautiful, wasn't
Yeah, and
it?
I got something. She got a mini koala toy.
Do you know what country they're from?
No, Asia.
Australia. They are lovely, aren't they? And he's cute. Hello. Do you want to give him a cuddle?
Yeah.
Oh. Now it's Safi's turn.
Yeah.
Let me see what you've got.
This is my favorite toy.
Oh.
It's a red panda. I saw one of them in the zoo yesterday at Longleat, and we got one of these. And this is a picture of the red panda at Longleat.
Oh. That's lovely. And why do you like red pandas so much?
They're very fuzzy and cute.
They are.
I saw the red panda's tail, and it was super fuzzy.
Yeah, we saw lots of them yesterday, didn't we, at the safari park?
Yeah, when we were going to your boat.
What were they eating?
Bamboo.
Bamboo! So much bamboo they like eating,
Yeah.
don't they? They are amazing. So
The red panda was super cute.
Oh, lovely. That's lovely. It was nice last night with the Festival of Lights, wasn't it? All
Yeah.
these wonderful things. So do you want to tell them a bit about the Festival of Lights?
Yeah, it was very cool. I liked all the lights. There was a giant Christmas tree.
There was.
Too.
Yeah, what else? What did you like?
I like the giant Christmas tree, nearly as tall as the sky.
Yeah, and there was angels going up it. And also, do you know what I like?
I was an angel for my soul play.
You were an angel!
I wasn't anything.
I've got a picture up of you. Would you like that?
I wasn't anything.
You weren't anything this year, but you did sing a lot of Christmas
Yeah, no
songs.
one was anything.
Oh, yeah, but you did sing a lot of Christmas songs in different languages. What languages did you sing them in?
Mexico, Hungary.
Yeah, so Mexican, Hungarian,
Welsh.
and Welsh. Wonderful. Right, I'll put some video footage up now in a minute to show you what the girls saw last night. Do you know my favourite bit last night was all the landmarks. We saw all of the different cities. We saw Wales, and we saw all of the different landmarks.
Welsh.
London, Bristol,
And Welsh,
Ireland.
China.
The Welsh Dragon, yeah.
China.
And China, absolutely. So Chinatown all lit up, and they were wonderful installations when they were made of light. Chinatown, it was a little town sort of thing.
Yeah.
And look at this. He lives in China, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He does? He is cute.
Yeah.
Right, let's put him away and see what else we've got.
Oh yeah, and we forgot about this one with
Oh,
the
he's definitely my favourite. I love the colour.
Yeah, it's a Lafufu too.
Oh, it's lovely. That's definitely my favourite.
Yeah. And it's my favourite colour, purple.
It is. You love purple, don't you? Right, what else have you got here?
I got Moxie.
Moxie?
Yeah.
Who's Moxie? She looks funny.
Yeah.
I think it's a girl.
Yeah, she did.
Oh, okay. Why do you like Moxie so much?
But this is my second favourite colour.
Oh, and she's got nice teeth.
No.
Oh, is she supposed to be an axolotl?
No.
What is she then?
Axolotls do not look like that.
I don't know.
I don't know what. They like pink. And they do not have these things. They have and they do not have this. They do not have that. They do not have that. And they have gills here and here.
Oh,
I do not have teeth. I do not want.
I don't know.
I do not know what it's supposed to be.
A monster, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, funny monster.
But it has no tail.
Oh yeah, I noticed that. Never mind. Let's have a look at Safi's now then.
Yeah. It's Cinnamoroll again.
Wow, Cinnamoroll.
Yeah.
Oh, you love Cinnamoroll, don't you? You had a Cinnamoroll birthday party. Yeah.
Yeah, the tail's supposed to be the 12th birthday party. The tail's supposed to be like a cinnamon bun like this, but the stitches fell out.
Should we show them the birthday Cinnamoroll and Chromie cake?
Okay.
We'll put that up on the screen now.
Mr. Mushroom!
Do you guys like mushrooms?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
We won them in a vending machine.
You won them?
In a claw machine.
Oh, right, one of those. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And we were out somewhere, weren't we? I can't remember where we were.
We got it with Auntie Ruby.
Oh, yeah, when your auntie took you out. Yeah, I remember that.
A party and play.
No, it was that jump place.
No, party and play.
Was it? Oh, right. You went to the jump place.
Yeah, his name is Mr. Mushroom.
Oh, okay.
Party and play. His name is Mr. Mushroom. His name is Mr. Mushroom. Her name is Mrs. Mushroom.
Mrs.?
Yeah, Mr.
Are they
Mushroom.
married?
No. Mr. Mushroom, Mr. Mushroom, Mr. Mushroom.
What are these?
It's a toy.
Let's see. Oh, is that a sticker on there?
Yeah.
That's cute. And this one, strawberry.
I have one of them.
And that? Oh, Sara, they are cuties. You can put them all in your bed. There you go.
Hey,
you go.
I don't my turn. Kitty.
Oh, your
Where's
kitty.
the kitty?
Your little kitty.
It's very fluffy and it can do this. Let me find the button.
Oh,
Yay!
it looks like a sleeping kitty.
Sleeping titty.
So realistic.
We got it from Turkey, but it was made in China.
Oh yeah.
And I also have this.
Dream sprouts. What's in it?
It says that there's a plush keyring inside.
Yeah.
And there's a sticker and collector's card.
Yeah.
And by here it tells you all the stuff. So this is Mimimo.
Yeah.
This one is Mimimo.
Yeah.
She looks like this. It says Mimimo is endlessly curious, always a little sleepy, and loves collecting dream dust from sleeping creatures. She stores it in her little bottle. She has a high-pitched giggle and is terrified of cucumbers.
Cucumbers?
And this is Newbie, the night puff. Newbie is Mimimo's sleepy sidekick, known to doze off mid-sentence. She collects lost dreams and weaves them into tiny blankets. She's super cuddly, but always hiding under her giant tail when scared. This is
Sounds like Sara.
I don't really know how to say this one, but Nokarubi is the warm-hearted mischief maker. Loves sneaking into dreams and leaving silly surprises. His giggle sounds like tiny crackles of cozy fire. And Droopy is the rain bud.
Mm-hmm.
Droopy is gentle and a bit shy. Droopy whispers to sleeping plants. Loves puddles.
Mm-hmm.
Hates loud noises. Mimimo trusts her to guard the dream grove when storms roll in.
Okay, let's open it up, sweetheart, now and see what's inside.
So we have Mimimo, which is this one,
Let me
the
show
dream spirit, this one,
Yeah.
and then Newbie, the night puff,
Mm-hmm.
Droopy, and then Nokarubi.
Yes.
So let's open it.
Yes.
I've already opened it.
That's alright. Let's see what it is.
I got,
that.
it also comes with the collector's card.
Too.
This is the collector's card.
That's beautiful.
I've only got this one because that's the first time I ever got one.
That's so cute.
Yeah, and she is also terrified of cucumbers.
Terrified of cucumbers.
So
Like
I got
Dexter. Mimomo. Yeah, that sounds lovely. And do you love it?
Yeah,
How much?
a lot.
A lot. Oh, here you go. Cuddle, cuddle.
It has a tail too. Yeah, and it comes with a shredder.
Oh,
Yeah, and a collector's card.
Oh, that's lovely. Right, let's get that one out of the way. Sara, what's that?
It's my dumpling I bought today.
Dumpling?
Yeah.
What?
And I also got we have a little inside. And I got this today.
I'd love to see.
She's got the
wow,
pink
look
one.
at your little dumpling.
The pink one. Yeah, I have one too.
I
But
know.
I'm waiting for E to open it.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Now, let's have a look at yours. Let's squish it a little bit.
Wow.
Oh, his head got big.
He's very
Oh,
squishy.
his nose, his head. Oh my
I'm still
goodness.
waiting to open mine.
Oh, I love it. What colour will yours be, Safi?
I don't really know yet.
Wow.
I haven't opened it.
Wow. I love it, Sara. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Let me have a look.
Mummy.
I love it.
And it comes with this, which is
Lovely.
very funny.
Yes. You love those?
He's very inside. He's inside.
Yeah.
Little dumpling.
Little dumpling.
He's very squishy.
Yeah. I love it. With your red panda as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're both from China, I think.
Amazing.
Yeah. These are some of our Christmas stars.
Let's see. They can't see unless they're up there. Oh.
And I made one.
Show us the one you made.
This is I made one.
Let's see what you made.
The teacher in our class told us to write season's tweetings.
That's
Because we
lovely.
did birds.
Oh, is that your thumbprints?
Yeah.
That's lovely. How creative is that? I love your little birdies. They're so
Buddy.
cute. Let's see what it says inside.
I cut all of that.
To Mum Season's tweetings. Love, Safi. Oh, you cut all this out?
Yep.
Gosh, that's a lot of cutting.
It took forever.
It bet it did.
Yeah, and I also got this candy cane.
Show us this one.
Strawberry flavoured.
Did you draw that?
Yeah.
What?
And Mr. Penguin.
Oh, let's see your penguin. Oh, he's
Mr.
cute.
Penguin.
How cute is that? Do you think that's cute, Sara?
Yeah.
He's really cute and he's got a lovely scarf.
Yeah.
And we've got a...
Gingerbread man.
Yes, and the Christmas tree. Safi, your drawing skills are getting better and better. That's lovely. Now let's say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas,
Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.